In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete customers' WooCommerce. We'll walk through the process step by step directly from your WordPress dashboard so you can safely remove customer accounts you no longer need. Before we begin, keep in mind that in WooCommerce, every customer who creates an account or checks out while logged in is actually stored as a WordPress user with the role customer. That means we won't be deleting them from a separate WooCommerce screen, but from the main users area in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard using your usual admin credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main admin menu. Find the section labeled Users. Hover your mouse over Users and a small submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on All Users. This will open a page listing every user on your site, including administrators, editors, shop managers, and of course, customers. On this page, you'll see columns like username, name, email, and role. What we care about here is the role column. Scroll through the list and look for users whose role is set to customer. These are your WooCommerce customers. You can delete a single customer or several at once. To delete one customer, simply check the box to the left of their username. If you want to remove multiple customers, check the boxes next to each of the customer accounts you want to delete. Take your time here and double check that you're only selecting the users you actually intend to remove, because deleting a user account is not easily reversible. Once you've selected the customers, go to the top of the list where you'll see a drop-down labeled Bulk Actions. Click on that drop-down and choose the Delete option. After selecting Delete, click the Apply button right next to the drop-down. This tells WordPress that you want to delete all of the selected customer accounts. The page will reload and you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. This step is there to help prevent you from accidentally removing users. Review the information shown, and if everything looks correct, go ahead and click on Confirm Deletion. After you confirm, WordPress will permanently delete those customer users from your site. Their accounts and login access will be removed. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you now know how to delete WooCommerce customers safely using the built-in WordPress users screen.